evening and welcome back to another fine installment of the Artist's Corner, where I, Mr. Dave Joyner, bring you fine drawing tutorials on a regular basis. This is the final segment of the illustration, the shading section. I want to inform you that my name has now changed on this channel. We are no longer the Artist's Corner. This is now going to be called Drawing with David. So I figured that might make it easier for people to find me. We spent, let's see, 3 episodes bringing the illustration up to this level. And now we can see where we can come in and find the darker values and then the secondary values. And when we are all through locating these colors, not colors, these black values, we'll then come back and we will outline, do the final inking and outlining of the secondary values to give it that final sort of polished appearance. So it's not, there's definitely a stylized bit of an aspect to this kind of illustrating. I could have spent a couple more hours on this and really turned it into something extraordinary. I would have taken a lot of time with the water, and I would have taken a lot of time with the mountains, and obviously I would have researched my truck, and I would have gone in for a little more detail on the trees in the foreground. But all in all, it's a relatively eye-pleasing illustration that touches on all the aspects of life outside in the wilderness. We've got water and grass, and it's just a very, very, very relaxing kind of illustration. My wife, she always compliments it and tells me that it should be in a frame, which I really appreciate, even though this particular kind of illustration is I don't know, it's just, I mean, it's not a throwaway thing, no, but in my opinion, it's not this is what I'm doing for you guys, to try to help you guys maybe learn how to do a little illustrating. I'm sorry about the shakiness of my camera. I didn't realize when I started doing this section of the illustrating that it was going to be so shaky. Right now I'm going back in and I'm now outlining all of my secondary values to give this illustration that final polished look that people come to enjoy in my work. You can really notice it in the trees, the clouds. There's another value that just has to be outlined. I hope that you've enjoyed this illustration. If you want to see more illustrations like this, please like it and come and check it out here at Drawing with David. You guys have a wonderful evening. Good night.